guys, today we're going to be replacing, or actually we're going to be installing a Lokar billet adjustable column arm kit, that's the model number, and this arm kit is for the TH350, the 400 and 700 transmissions. So basically I already have I opened it up and I have the nothing's on there tight yet. It's just loose. Everything's loose. So you do have some room to adjust depending on your length, or I'm guessing the transmission you're using, and this has some room for. I've seen some people have to cut it, but I don't think you cut this one because it's threaded on both sides. The rod is threaded on both sides. Well, maybe from this side you can, because this side is not threaded. This one has this one, and if you would cut it, it would cut it from this side. So this rod is gonna basically be connecting my column shift, which will be right here. It has a bolt that goes through here and it connects and it runs down to the transmission. You see this is all the way up is park. It goes down. You can leave it. And it goes down to the bottom. We have her shift linkage, and you can see the column shifts up there. Have a lot of wiring in the way, but basically this is, I put it on there. I don't know, I still have to adjust it, but right now it's in park. Should be reverse. Right, that was park. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. So that's all the motion. So now we gotta get the rod from here to go all the way up to right there. this one. This has a lot of tension, so it doesn't line up straight with that. It should be like that. We do have to do a slight bend here. Bend that way. I don't know if I have to adjust this to move it more higher. We'll try it there. First, I adjust everything so that it can line up. Let's see. It's already connected on there. You can still slide it. See, however. Well guys, I made a little mistake. I had adjusted the lever on the column, but I didn't have the column shift on the inside. It was actually on reverse. So whenever I adjusted it and I put it in there, it wouldn't go into park because that's the lever. I had left it like that. So make sure you have your shifter all the way up. That's park. And then this one also, make sure that it's all the way up. The good thing is that the kit has a lot of adjustable. Just gotta take these out with the Allen wrenches, and the actual thing, you can slide it out or you can move it in. I don't think I'm gonna have to cut mine because it should be able to reach perfectly. I just gotta keep adjusting it and see how it feels. So let me keep adjusting this once and see how it comes out. Alright guys, I think I have everything already where it's supposed to be. I have it all the way up. And everything's still loose, as you can see. Everything's loose. It has this plastic, and once everything gets tightened up, everything should be firm. This can still rotate because it's loose. And like I said, I have not tying everything up because I'm still adjusting, but by the looks of it, you can see all the way down. It's all the way down to the transmission, which is everything's still loose. I'm gonna tighten it up and I was seeing some videos where they say you have to bend it. The rod's like this, you have to bend it a little bit this way. Just a little bend right here in the bottom. I'm gonna tighten it up like this and see how it feels. And see how it works up top. It's looking pretty good, guys. Alright guys, I am gonna have to do a bend because the way it is, once I shift it down, it tends to push this corner that way. So I'm gonna have to do a little bend on this one instead of going this angle, to have a slight bend this way. So this is gonna come this way. I'm gonna do a bend, something like that. So now I'm gonna tighten up that top and down here. That way I know the length is okay. I don't think I would have to do that much adjustments once I bend it, but at least I'll have it kind of in the ballpark. So now what I'm gonna do is tighten this one down so this won't spin anymore. This is all tight already. It's tight up top. So I'm just gonna have to bend it right here so it won't. See how it goes.